What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we are here about to do another dealer only walk around, man. So currently we're on our way to a dealer only auction down here in Phoenix. I'm running kind of late. It is 7:41. I'm almost there though. I just like to be at the auctions between 7 and 7:30. That way, you know, got enough time to check out the cars, because today we do have a little more cars than we did yesterday. In the following video, I mean the video before this one, we got more cars today. So we're about to pull up to this auction, check out these videos, and see what we can grab today. We didn't grab anything yesterday, so I'm hoping we can grab something today. I wasn't going to come today. I was just going to wait until next week. Hopefully, you know, prices will go back down still, you know, continue to go down. But I checked the list late last night, then I got up this morning and checked it again, and I seen some cars in there I think we can most definitely be able to come out of here with. So hopefully the price is right and the vehicles check out, because yesterday a lot of vehicles didn't check out yesterday. I probably went to the auction yesterday with like maybe a 30 car list, and out of those 30 I think I have like 6 cars that I was sitting there waiting on. But that's how it goes, guys. That's why it's best to just check out the cars. But I do buy sight unseen from like Copart and stuff like that, but it's always best to just check out the cars before you go ahead and, you know, trying to buy them or whatever. But with enough talking, I'm gonna get in, because I'm about to pull an auction out. So I'm gonna get in here. It might be too early to get a bidder's badge, because she usually don't get to the desk to about 8-ish, around there, 9 o'clock. So basically I'm about to just jump in here, get to work, and then I'll try to record a video as I'm going. If not, once I'm done checking out my cars, then I'll actually walk back through and go over with you guys. But I'm gonna definitely try to just take you guys along with me while I'm checking out the cars though. So we're pulling in now. Catch you guys in a second, man. All right, guys, looked at a few cars. The Sienna, you would think would go cheap because of the back window. It's definitely not going to go cheap. That's 204,000 miles. Definitely not going to go cheap. Pretty clean on the inside. Pretty clean. Like this Durango, you would think gonna go cheap. And 70. It's not gonna go cheap. It's too clean. Too clean, man. This Durango is real clean. The leather seats. This thing is clean. The Explorer might go cheap, but I don't buy stuff. I don't like those Explorer. This Denali, you can guarantee this Denali going for 10,000 or more. It's every bit of 10,000 or more on this Denali. I'll try to see what it goes for and put it on the screen. 3rd row TV. It's every bit of 10,000 or more. Let's see what else we got. This auction is kind of tight, man. Everything is in here tight. But try to give you guys a little walk around. Some stuff like these Tacomas. These Tacomas go high, like high. What else we got? Got some older stuff. What you guys see? Let's see this Jeep. I looked at this Jeep. Had a misfire. It's a Tahoe I want to show you guys that got a misfire. Somebody unplugged the 2 coil packs on it, but You get stuff like that at these dope auctions all the time. But just giving you guys a little short walk around of some cars here at this auction. Come back to you guys in a second. Alright guys, I just had to say this real quick. I just want you guys to know it's currently 9:39 and I'm editing. I stopped in the middle of the auction basically. I'm of course I was running a little late this morning, as I said in the video earlier, but I got done looking at my cars quick enough, and I'm trying to, as you see, do this video. I'm trying to edit this video and stuff. Not this video I'm recording now, but another auction walk around video that I did yesterday. So I'm trying to edit this video so I can hurry up and get it done and upload it while I'm currently at the auction, guys. So I'm working, man. So I'm trying to produce more content, and you know, hopefully you guys like it. So I am trying to put out more videos. I'm still doing like 3 videos a week. I'm hoping to do maybe 4 or 5 videos a week. But I be busy, you know, with the car business, so it's kind of hard for me to excuse me, it's kind of hard for me to produce 4 or 5 videos a week when I'm, you know, still dealing with the cars on the daily. But like I said, we are at the auction. You guys can't really see nothing, but we are at the auction, and we just, like I said, I'm just trying to get this video done and upload it before this before the auction starts, so I can jump back in there and finish recordings. I did a little short little clip already, but I'm gonna try to get you guys more footage of the auction. So let me go ahead and finish editing the walk around video that I'm uploading today, and then I'll jump back into the auction for you guys. All right, we got a G8. That's a G8 right here. Let's see if it's the V6 or not. G8s are still good though. Okay, Texas. Let's see. I think it's dead though. Might be dead. Let's see. It look like a V6 to me. Might be wrong. Oh, I was right. It's a V6. It's a V6 G8. Got the screen. No roof, but leather. Alright. Here. Man, it's hot in this motherfucker. Air probably don't work. Nope. Air don't work. We out here. Oh man. That guy, boy. You gotta have the air working on air, man. It's too hot for that. HHR. How many miles on this HHR? I ain't got a sticker on it. I ain't got it on my list anyways. So we ain't gonna worry about it. I gotta go over the car. I need to be in lane 5. I'm in lane 5. I like these Armadas though. Lane 5 when they go with the car 45 and 46. This got 237 on it. It's not bad. Alright, ripping the seat. Let's see. I think I had a rider on the motor when it started up. Let me hit the gas and see. Oh. See if this air work, man. Okay, air does work. Goes right in the gear. Right one, ain't gonna mess with it. Could have been the exhaust, but I don't start fucking with it. got a Taurus 100 on it. So we need car 45, 46, guys. I'm trying to do these auction walk around videos, but this Lincoln, so you gotta know and remember cars. This Lincoln LS was at an auction we went to yesterday. So one owner. Guys gotta know what you're looking at. Okay, I see one of the Focuses I'm looking for. That Focus is trash. Let's see about this one. Oh shit. Spray painted the front bumper, spray painted the whole car. Yeah, they spray painted the whole car. This car is trash. I'm not gonna mess with it. Okay, that's about it. Yeah. That's about it. Let's see. Commander has 3 rows. Cloth seats. It's not bad looking. These Commanders be trash too sometimes. Got an Audi here. Nice Audi. A4 2011. A4 2011. Got leather seats, sunroof. Nice. These Jeep Composite shell. Definitely don't want nothing sounding like that. Oh. Got this Accord on my wrist. Yeah, I got both of these. Yeah, both of these on cheap cars on my list. This Civic might go cheap, and this Accord might go cheap. At least that's what I'm hoping. Both of these go cheap. Got a couple cars on my list, guys. For you Mustang lovers, here you go. It's windy out here right now, guys. Nice little Mustang. I got this on my list too, guys. This one got 199 on it. 183. 183. Got leather seats. Kind of ripped up. I don't care. Hopefully it go cheap. I test drove it. It seemed like it was okay. Need brakes though. I got this Sonata on my list as well. Got this on my list. It's pretty clean. I got this Civic on my list. Nope. Yeah, I do got the Civic on my list. Yup, it's the stick shift. And I put this on my list as well. So, alright guys, get back to you guys in a second. Listen, I cannot wait until these damn prices go down, man. I had like 16 cars on my list, man. And I left with not one of them. I could have left with one, but it was a guy, some guys I had met, and they was bidding on the car. You know, met them not too long ago, and they was bidding on the car, and I didn't want to bid against them. It was definitely going to be a bidding war, you know, but I'll let them get the car. But, you know, it was plenty of other cars I could have got, you know, but that was probably the only car that went cheap enough. Damn, man, the rest of the cars went way high, man. I'm gonna insert the price on the screen of the vehicles, like in the walk around, right? And then I'm about to try to find my list, man, so I could tell you guys what these cars that went for, man. Like this, it was ridiculous, guys. It was ridiculous. Tell y'all something, man. So basically, we had a Trailblazer I wanted. We had a Trailblazer I wanted. It went for $1,200. But this Trailblazer had almost 300,000 miles on it, guys. Almost 300,000 miles, and it went for $1,200. I did not want to pay $1,200 or more for a Trailblazer with 300,000 miles on it. Like, it was no way. Then we had a freaking what? We had a Tahoe, went for $2,100 with 345,000 miles or something like that. It went for $2,100 with somebody messing with it because they unplugged two of the core pack, so it was running bad as crap, and the bottom end was rattling on that. We had a and that Tahoe was like an 05. It wasn't even a new Tahoe. It was 05 with 300-some thousand miles with rips in the seats, as you seen in the video. But what else we had? We had a Honda Accord go for $1,000, and a Civic go for $1,000. Both of them had well over 200,000 miles, more like 245 and up probably. And it wasn't 04s and 05s. One was like a 2000, the other one was like a 02 or something like that. It was an Aveo, went for $1,400. An Aveo, guys, went for $1,400 with over 200,000 miles on it. Like, these people is crazy, man. Like, a Highlander went for $2,300, but that was an if bid. The guy wanted like $4 grand for the Highlander, and it had almost 300,000 miles on it. Like, it's just ridiculous, man. These prices is high, man. But anyways, guys, I'm probably about to go ahead and end this video right now, man, because I'm about to grab something to eat. I haven't ate yet. It's currently 2:07 in the evening right now. Show you guys so you guys can see and see I'm not bluffing. So it's currently 2:07 in the evening, man. So I'm about to get something to eat. I haven't ate all day long. I've been grinding. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. But listen, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bells to get the notification every time I upload a video. Don't forget to hit the like button. And please, guys, share these videos, man. We're trying to get these people out here, these videos out here to more people, trying to get the subscribers up so I can keep bringing y'all more content, man. But this your boy Jay, man, and I'm out. Peace.